Welcome back into Stovetop Garage. Tonight we're making a lemon cheesecake. And we have our eggs and our cream cheese and our sugar, our vanilla, and our lemon topping. And over here we have our melted butter, our sugar, and our graham crackers that we're going to press into the bottom of the springform pan for our crust. Let's get mixing. So since you didn't get a chance to see me mix that, it is 12 graham crackers with 3 tablespoons of sugar and a 1/3 cup of butter, melted butter. And you just mix it all up until it looks consistent, and you'll see that it starts to clump together a little bit. And then you use the bottom of a flat bottom glass to press it down into the pan. And I use a little bit of cooking spray. Spray the pan so that the parchment paper sticks to the pan, so you don't fight the paper curling around. It makes it easier that way. Now on to the cheesecake. Let's put the cream cheese into the mixer. Now the cheesecake's all ready to go in the pan, and then we're going to throw it in our preheated oven for 55 minutes. And it's preheated to 325. Sorry, I had to look. And then after that, we put on our topping. But yeah, 55 minutes from now, we'll see what happens. Fresh out of the oven. So yummy. Waiting for the topping. There we have it. Lemon cheesecake. What so many have been waiting for. I have a coworker that had been waiting for it for a while, to the point where she was willing to get me 2 more subscribers just so I would make it so she could have a piece. So here you go. This one's for you. Tasty, yummy, and delicious.